love shiny shoes. Did you see my shiny shoes for today? With some overalls. Okay, I'm trying to figure out where's the address for this.
So where are we heading?
We are heading to a coffee spot called Espressivo. It is owned by a very good friend of mine named Celine Hinojosa along with her boyfriend. So it's a pretty small spot, but I think it's gonna be great. It has a great location too. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's right here on Provant and like Blue Star, right next to La Tuna as well. So it's like convenient for Southtown. I'm really excited to check it out. So let's go. Grandma hooked it up with tamales. They're really spicy. So good. So good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you also.
Jackie.
Nice
to meet you.
Yeah.
Hi,
Miss
Jackie.
Kareem, say hi.
Hi, Kareem. You're handsome.
Thank you. Yeah, well, here at this location, we've been here since September 1st was our grand opening. We've been in San Atonio for about 7 months now. Started out originally out of McAllen, like we said, and came to San Antonio, and it just took off from there.
Okay, people on the whole, healthy fruit, vegetables, juices. Like you said, you ain't gotta eat a whole salad. Sitting down to stay healthy, you can put it into a good drink. Like I said, I myself wasn't one of the healthier eaters and stuff until I met this guy, and like now I'm on that juice trip.
So basically, just a place to come and de-stress. We want you to forget about what's going on outside with everything that's going on in the world, and be able to come in here, get some good juice, get some coffee, get your mind right and get centered with the yoga spot, and really just de-stress and walk out of here feeling like a brand new person.
No, I'm really excited. I like how the menu itself is pretty basic. Which one would you recommend as well?
Probably Valley Girl.
The Valley Girl?
Yeah.
Let's try that then.
Valley Girl's hot right now.
I'm gonna try it. So here we go. I like it, so I keep drinking it. I like this one. It has a lot of pulp. I'm a big fan of pulp. It's sweet, but not too sweet. Hold on. Pineapple. It's fresh. It is fresh. But I really like this one. Not too heavy either. I could use some like Malibu in here. Just kidding.
I started at Starbucks, so that's where I started my coffee venture as well. One time I got off my shift from Starbucks and I went to a local coffee shop. Can't remember the name. But I went, had a cappuccino, spoke with the barista, and I was like, wow, this is kind of not what I'm doing now. I want to get into this. So I left Starbucks a year later, started working at Halcyon just like that. I was trained by an amazing coffee manager at the time named John Lauber, and he taught me everything I knew. Yeah, back then that's pretty much where I blossomed and bloomed, and that's kind of where I fell in love with specialty coffee.
It's an art.
Yeah, it is an art. It's an art form, it's a passion, it's a lot of give and take, but it's really, really nice, really nice.
You ready? That's so good.
So right now, Jackie, she's sipping on our very first mocha ever made in-house. It is made with shaved dark cacao chocolate, all natural, direct trade, meaning we get it exactly from the farmers that created it for us. So it's literally like they're benefiting from our sales. So every cup of coffee is going directly to the people who provide it. You can't say the same about, you know, Starbucks or a lot of other shops, you know, so it's really has a global impact. I mean, there's people who are gonna eat because Jackie's drinking this mocha. Yeah.
It's really good, guys.
It's really awesome.
Can you tell me more about the concept, how you came up with it?
Yeah, so Espressivo is a musical term. Really big into music. I've always wanted to combine the both coffee and music just because it brings people together, you know. Does so good for communities and stuff. So there's just always been two things that I'm passionate about. So Espressivo means with passion, with feeling. So because our farmers, we work so closely with our farmers, we're exposed to that passion, that feeling that they put into the beans and their farms and, you know, their families. So we just want to make sure that we do them justice and that we are also just as passionate here with their beans, you know. So the end result is just as good as what they wanted on the farm to happen, you know. So Espressivo, like I said, it's a musical term, but we just felt it really fit the vibe of the coffee shop we wanted to do, because we do want to eventually turn this into like a mini venue, so we'll have like artists, you know, little like acoustic nights, karaoke nights, stuff like that. So keep a lookout.
And so what are your values or your goals and values for the community? Like
Support local, like small businesses, local art, local bands, local everything. Support your city. Like, let's keep each other encouraged and growing. We're better than Austin and everywhere else. And Atonio is where it's at. We got the Spurs, we got squeezes. Like, let's keep growing. You know,
Spurs and squeezes, I like that.
Yeah, Spurs and squeezes. Yeah, it's just support local, man. Encourage each other. Your artsy sides, anything that you've always wanted to do, like open a coffee shop or a juice bar, like do it, try it, guys. We're here to also hopefully inspire people to challenge themselves.
Yeah, I mean, besides that, we are a place where there's all natural products, sourced for the most part locally. You know,
Texas locally, right?
Texas locally at least, you know, and we give a healthy take on today's wave of nutritional value, you know.
Awesome. That's great. I'm really proud of you both.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for growing our community.
For sure.
Yay! The vibe in there is like awesome. I feel so comfortable and at home in there. You have, you know, grandparents in there. You got cousins sitting outside. There's like significant others, spouses, and then there's children playing in the middle. It's just very homey. As well, like the shit is good in there. Like the coffee, that lavender. Was it like a latte? Oh. Delicious. And then the juices were so like perfect because it was fresh and it's local to San Antonio as well as in Texas. It was just a really good experience there. I'm definitely gonna come back soon, very soon, like tomorrow, and bring my mom. But everyone should definitely check it out. Let us know what you think as well. But yeah, that was it. We'll see you soon. My thumb is double jointed. Normal thumb.